Good morning guys, today's video we will be at Bolinao Beach in Pangasinan. We are waiting for the sunrise. It's view from our cottage. There you go. Bolinao Beach. What a beautiful nature. Good morning guys! We are at Bolinao Beach. Ooh, nice. It's warm. It's 5:51 in the morning guys. We are waiting for the sunrise. I'm so excited to go swimming. It's still early, that's why no one's swimming yet. So let's go for a walk. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's very relaxing. Wala pang naliligo kasi maaga pa. Tulog pa nga tao. And then the family is excited to go for swimming. So let's go for swimming guys. It's nice and warm. It's beautiful. Water is so warm. There, my family can go swimming. It's still early in the morning, that's why we are alone here. Everybody, I think, is just sleeping yet. It's too peaceful and not crowded yet. So let's enjoy. Let's enjoy the water. Yay! Family are having fun. Bolinao Beach is one of the most popular beach in Pangasinan. It's highly recommended. So if you're looking for excursion, Bolinao Beach is one of them. Thanks for watching.